Hey y'all, it's Chef Virginia Willis and I'm here in West Palm Beach, Florida, and I am super excited. I'm here with Luz Espino and we are making lumpia.
Yes.
Lumpia, and these are Filipino egg rolls.
Yes.
And I am so excited. I've had these before, and Luz told me that she'd come over and show me how to make them. So we've made the filling, but before we get started, I want you to tell me a little bit about this egg roll.
Well, this is very special because I serve this for celebrities.
Yes?
Yeah.
Well, they're so delicious. I'm sure celebrities love them too.
Oh, yes.
So now, and tell me how long you have been a chef.
Altogether is like 35 years.
35 years. And so you've been working for this one particular family for 35 years.
Yes, a private home chef.
So we were laughing though, because we was like, how many of these has she made in her career? Like, has she made 1 million of them? Have you made 1 million of them?
That's right, yeah.
That's fantastic. But tell me, you grew up making these. Did you make these as a child, or were you when you were a little girl?
Yeah, I mean, this is our, what we serve in my country with, if we have parties and even though, just for, when we feel like having it, we make our egg rolls.
Okay, and then so today our filling is ground chicken. So yes. Chicken, you bought the chicken and cubed it yourself though.
Yes.
And then we ground it in the food processor. And then what else is in here?
Scallion, garlic, parsley, eggs, and water chestnuts.
And there's a lot of garlic. There was garlic.
Yeah.
And some sesame oil.
Sesame oil.
And some soy sauce.
Soy sauce.
Yeah.
And, all seasoning.
Okay, and then so we pureed that in the food processor, and then what Luz did is she fried a little bit in the skillet, and that's important to do because obviously you can't taste raw chicken, right? So we fried a little bit in the skillet to make sure that the filling was seasoned properly, and it was,
yes,
right?
Yes.
And so you liked it, and she was giving me a hard time because I was like, wait, let's measure. And so she's like a real chef. She's not normally measuring. But I want to also show you these really cool egg rolls.
Wrapper.
These are the wrappers, and it's a Thai pastry. It looks like I don't even know where it's from, but we'll have to see. But I want to show y'all what this looks like because this is one of the most crazy doughs I've ever seen. It's kind of spongy and bouncy, stretchy.
Yeah.
Yeah. So you peel them off.
And separate them.
Out. I might need my glasses for this one. Now here we go. Look. So they're strong.
Yeah.
Like this is like a crepe, but look at it. It's really sort of elastic.
Right.
Now we have chicken here today, but you can make lumpia out of other things as well.
Yeah. Vegetables.
Just plain vegetable like carrots, celery.
The bean sprout.
Okay.
Green beans. Any vegetables that your favorite vegetables, you can use it.
Okay.
And then, either you cook it first, but I think it's better if you don't have to cook it and then fry it.
Right, so it's raw, so whatever it is.
You don't overcook it.
And you can also make it out of pork or shrimp?
Yes, and beef if you like. It really depends your liking.
Right, right. So and then she also made a dipping sauce, but I had to give up on the measurements there. But it's a sweet and sour dipping sauce, and it has flour and cornstarch and ketchup
right.
and water and a little bit of sugar and vinegar. Right?
Vinegar. Yeah, it's important.
And what kind of vinegar do you use?
Macano vinegar, Japanese vinegar.
Like a rice
vinegar.
Rice vinegar. Right. Okay, so let's just show the folks how we do this. So we've got one piece.
Okay.
Okay, and then you're going to take a little bit of filling there.
Yeah.
And you sort of pinch it.
Mm-hmm. Line them up.
Right.
And then you
sort of fold it over.
Yeah.
And you're keeping it sort of it's a tight cigarette, sort of like a tight cigar.
Yeah.
Keep it all punched in on the sides. right?
And use Egg wash.
A little bit of egg wash. Okay, and that's just plain egg. There's no water, no seasoning. It's just plain egg that you've sort of wrapped up.
There we go.
And what Luz is explaining to me is that you can make a lot of these, and they can be frozen raw, right?
Yes.
And then
take it out when you feel like having that time.
Right. And we want to try, I just want to try just for the heck of it. I want to try baking a couple. Now we know that if you fry anything, you can fry dirt and it's going to taste good. But what I want to do is I want to try to give these a try just for the heck of it.
Yes.
This is sort of an experiment because that's what chefs do, right?
Right.
We sort of experiment. All right, I'm going to make one too. I maybe have too much filling there. And I wet my fingers, but that's just probably a habit. Yeah. All right, so we'll pinch it just like that. All right, and then roll it up and over.
There.
And sort of keep it tight.
Yep.
There we go. I'll give you some more.
Yes.
All right, we'll do this. I'll seal mine.
There we go.
There we go, just like that. And roll it up. All right, that's it. So that's it for now. And we'll shoot another video in a second of us frying them. Thanks so much for watching. Bon appetit, y'all. Hey, y'all, it's Chef Virginia Willis. I'm here with Luz Espino, and we are making
egg rolls.
Egg rolls. Okay, also known as lumpia, right?
Right.
So they're a Filipino egg roll, and we made about 50 of them with a chicken filling. And then now we're gonna fry some. So let's talk about the oil. Let's tell everybody about the oil.
Canola oil.
So you like canola oil because it'll have a high temperature?
Yes.
Okay, and then it's only like a couple inches in the pot. It is deep fried, but and you are very specific about how many to put in.
Yes.
Will you explain
Don't
to people?
overcrowd it.
Don't overcrowd it, okay?
Okay.
Okay, and then this is a helpful hint. When you're putting something in oil, you want to make sure to put it away from you. So if it splashes, it's going to splash away from you.
Mm-hmm.
So Luz, how many have you made, do you think, in your life of these? I'm just so curious.
Oh my God. I can't even count it. Maybe over a million.
A million. Okay, so we want to fry these, and you're saying about 2 minutes per side?
Yes, that's right.
About 2 minutes per side. Okay, and then you have them on a wire rack. And let's talk to everybody about making them ahead and freezing them, because this is a little bit of a production, right?
Yes.
Okay, so if you make them raw,
you prepare all the ingredients first, and then put them all together. You
Okay.
can show it in the video, and so this way you have the whole.
have them already made.
Yes.
Okay.
Ready.
And then so what I did was I put them on a baking sheet, lined it with parchment, put some raw ones down, put another layer of parchment, put some more raw ones down, and what we're going to do is freeze them solid, raw, right?
Mm-hmm.
And then once they're frozen solid, I can put them in a sealable container or a sealable plastic bag.
And pack it individual.
Yeah. And then so what do you think about freezing them cooked? Is it better to freeze them raw or cooked?
Yeah, you have to decide. But I usually, when I make them, I cook it right away.
Oh, so you can freeze them.
Yes,
you can
you
freeze
could.
them cooked.
Yes.
Okay, that's cool. So this has not quite been 2 minutes, but you can see. So the oil is pretty hot, and it's also cooking. So the chicken is raw. So what we have on the inside is ground chicken, ground scallion, garlic,
Parsley,
carrots,
and water chestnuts.
water chestnuts. Okay, and then the seasonings are soy sauce and sesame oil.
Eggs.
And eggs. Okay.
Yeah.
Whip it all together. That's right. There's 3 eggs in there. I keep forgetting about that.
Mm-hmm.
So it's like a force meat. It would be a delicious meatball too.
Yeah.
It's got a really nice flavor.
Oh yeah, you can turn it into a patty. You know.
So tell me some of the other dishes that you like to make. Some of the other Filipino dishes that you like to make.
Chicken adobo.
Chicken adobo. Now tell us about that. Tell us pork adobo. What is that?
That's cooked with vinegar and soy sauce, ginger and garlic.
Yum.
You know. And the same thing as, or some noodles, pancit. You call it pancit. That's a different Filipino dish.
That's great.
So we'll do that some other time.
We'll have to do that the next time. So are they ready to flip yet, you think?
I think so.
You think so?
Yeah.
Okay, so we'll just roll them over.
Right.
Roll them over, Rover. Oh, I see. Yeah, we got a nice color on that one. Oh, we don't want to go over yet.
Should be golden brown.
Golden brown.
Right.
These are the best words in the English language. Golden brown.
Right.
And I do want to try these baked, just for kicks and giggles. I do want to see what those are baked, but we're going to probably save that for another time. And look at how these are. Now she's also made a sweet and sour dipping sauce, which was flour and cornstarch and ketchup and vinegar and a little bit of sugar. But there's also another dipping sauce that I'm super excited about. That is rice vinegar and chopped garlic.
Yes.
So, all right. So this is almost done. I'm so glad that you gave me this cooking lesson. Thank you so much
Thank
you so much.
I'm happy
Bon
to,
appetit, y'all. Thanks for watching.
Bye.